Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a background transparent. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To make the background transparent in Capcut, all you have to do is open the application on your computer. If you haven't already, just click the create a new project to start editing your work if you haven't already. But if you want to just update or edit the recent project that you are working, you might want to click on the project right here. In my case, I'm going to be doing that. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to add this video right here. Drag it in the timeline. Let me see if it correctly plays through. Then I wanted to create a transparent background so I can add an image, overlay a text or stickers later. All right, for you to be able to do it, it's kind of easy. All I have to do is go to the video itself, go to the video basic tab. Beside it, there's the remove a background. If you click that, what will happen is gonna be you have an option to remove the background to make it transparent. Now, once the background has been removed, the next thing is I'm gonna import here. I'm gonna overlay a photo at the back so I can create it. You see that? Then I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, and then the image to fit on the background. So let's try to play it through. If we have created a successful transparent background for, so yeah, so we have successfully created a transparent background, and from here, the next thing that we need to do is just go to the export button on the top right corner. So we can save a copy on different file formats, or maybe if you are working in a collaborative environment, you might want to share the file to your team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers or even to your client for feedback. But amazingly, we have created a specific transparent video with the background on it plus the image. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.